In today's fast-paced world, the ability to focus is nothing short of a superpower. How often do you discover individuals who can engage themselves in a single task for hours on end? It's a rare sight. These focused souls achieve so much more than the rest of us, and you can learn this power too. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply pursuing a hobby, improved focus can be your secret weapon. Now, I know you might be watching this video to avoid doing something else, but I promise it's going to be worth your time. So grab a pen and paper and write down some key takeaways. It's time to make the most of your procrastination session. Now, let's dive in and uncover the significance of focus. There are two types: scattered focus and directed focus. Scattered focus is the enemy of productivity. It's when your attention is scattered across multiple tasks. Imagine cleaning, talking on the phone, and cooking all at once. Or even attempting to focus on one task while your mind keeps wandering elsewhere. Sound familiar? This is what most people do, and it's a focus killer. The problem is that our brains are terrible at rapidly switching between tasks. Each switch requires your brain to load the context of what you're doing into your working memory. Constantly shifting attention wastes precious mental energy and leaves you exhausted without accomplishing much. Directed focus, on the other hand, is your path to peak performance. High achievers master this form of focus by directing their attention like a laser beam at a single task, ignoring all distractions. So, what's the key to avoiding scattered focus? The answer is simple: eliminate distractions and steer clear of anything that might harm your concentration. Consider your focus as a finite resource, let's say 5 units. When you're working, you're allocating those units to the task at hand. But if a distraction like a quick chat with your mom about dinner grabs one of those units, your focus gets divided. It takes time to regain your initial concentration, wasting precious mental energy. And your phone, that little device, is the ultimate anti-focus machine. It beeps, vibrates, and lures your attention away from your task with every notification. Now, you don't have to part ways with your phone entirely, but when it's time to concentrate, put it somewhere out of reach. Remember, it's not just phones. Anything can be a potential distraction, but your phone is likely the biggest culprit. The key is becoming aware of these distractions and actively avoiding them. Next up, consider your physiology. This often overlooked aspect plays a significant role in your ability to focus. If you're not getting at least 7 hours of sleep a night, your concentration will suffer. On the flip side, 7-9 hours of sleep can boost your focus during the day. Regular exercise, even a short walk, can improve your focus thanks to neurotransmitters like dopamine and norepinephrine. Hydration is crucial too. When you wake up dehydrated, it's hard to think straight. Your diet also plays a vital role. Foods high in sugar can lead to brain fog and hinder your ability to concentrate. Opt for healthier alternatives to boost your focus. Now, let's talk about building your focus. It's a skill you can hone. Just like training for a sport, the more you practice, the better you become. When you start, you might only manage to focus for 10 minutes, but with consistent effort, you'll strengthen your ability to concentrate for longer durations. The key is to make concentration a daily habit. Don't wait for perfect conditions, motivation, or cosmic alignment. Instead, set aside a dedicated time in your day to focus intensely. Mornings, about an hour after waking up, are usually ideal. Few distractions, a fresh mind, and all your focus units at your disposal. But what about the afternoons? It can be tough to focus after a hectic day when your brain is already scattered in different directions. To overcome this, unstimulate your brain with a proper break. Taking a walk, meditating, or even napping can recharge your mental energy without adding more stimulation. This concept perfectly aligns with the Pomodoro technique, a method combining intense focus with regular breaks. Choose a task, set a timer for a recommended 25 minutes, and concentrate solely on that task. When the timer rings, take a 5-minute break and repeat. After 4 cycles, take a longer break. Experiment to find your perfect work-to-rest ratio. So, congratulations on making it to the end of this video. Your focus is already stronger than most. In summary, 1. Understand scattered and directed focus. 2. Eliminate distractions to avoid scattered focus. 3. Take care of your body for optimal performance. 4. Concentration is a skill you can train. 5. Make focus a daily habit. 6. Unstimulate your brain for better focus later in the day. 7. Take regular breaks to maintain intense focus. 8. Embrace the Pomodoro technique as a daily tool. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I hope your ability to focus just got a serious upgrade.